Torras cases for the Galaxy S25 Ultra, which one stands out? When it comes to premium cases for the Galaxy S25 Ultra, Torras offers an impressive lineup. But with so many options, which one is truly the best? Let's dive into the details of these four cases, compare their features, and find out which one takes the top spot. 1. Torras Strong Magnetic and Seamless Stand Case. This case is a masterclass in blending protection, functionality, and innovation. Magnetic strength, equipped with N52 grade neodymium magnets and MegaMag technology, this case delivers an industry-leading 18N magnetic force. Whether you're snapping it onto a MagSafe charger, car mount, or other magnetic accessory, it holds firmly without slipping. If you've been frustrated with weak magnetic cases, this one is a game-changer. Pros: exceptional magnetic strength, flawless wireless charging performance. Cons: magnetic performance may vary with lower quality accessories. Kickstand: the built-in stainless steel kickstand folds seamlessly into the case, maintaining its sleek profile. Certified for over 30,000 folds, it supports multi-angle hands-free viewing, ideal for binge-watching or attending virtual meetings. Pros: durable, slim, and versatile. Cons: durability might slightly decline with heavy, long-term use. Protection: featuring X-Shock air cushioning and raised bezels, this case offers military-grade drop protection. Whether your phone takes a tumble or encounters everyday scratches, this case has you covered. Pros: reliable all-around protection. Cons: slightly heavier than ultra-thin alternatives. If you want a balance of strength, convenience, and premium design, this case ticks all the boxes. 2. Torras Magnetic Stand Case. Perfect for users who prioritize versatility and durability, this case delivers a fantastic all-in-one solution. Kickstand: with a 120 degrees flexible viewing angle, this case's kickstand adapts to your needs, whether you're streaming, conferencing, or following a recipe. Rigorous testing has ensured it withstands 30,000 folds without breaking a sweat. Pros: offers multiple viewing angles, sturdy and reliable. Cons: kickstand may feel stiff when new, but loosens over time. Magnetic power: MegaMag boosted tech ensures a robust 18N magnetic attraction, making this case compatible with all MagSafe accessories. It's especially useful for maintaining a secure grip on magnetic car mounts during bumpy rides. Pros: unmatched magnetism, smooth accessory compatibility. Cons: works best with genuine MagSafe accessories for optimal performance. Protection: sporting 360 degrees airbags and X-Shock corner reinforcements, this case can handle drops from up to 12 feet. Plus, the raised edges protect your camera and screen from nasty scratches. Pros: incredible durability and scratch resistance. Cons: slightly bulky due to added protection layers. For those seeking a case that balances functionality and robust protection, this one is hard to beat. 3. Torras Strong Magnetic Case for MagSafe. If you love showing off your phone's design without compromising protection, this case is your best friend. Magnetic excellence: with its 60% stronger magnetism compared to competitors, the MegaMag technology ensures reliable accessory compatibility. From wireless chargers to car mounts, it locks in place with ease, offering seamless operation. Pros: strong magnetic performance, perfect for MagSafe fans. Cons: may not work as efficiently with non-MagSafe accessories. Diamond clear back, made from bio-PC materials with nano coating, this case resists yellowing and scratches. With a 99% transparency rate, it beautifully showcases your Galaxy S25 Ultra's sleek design. Pros: crystal clear finish, long-lasting clarity. Cons: attracts fingerprint over time. Protection and kickstand: along with X-Shock air cushioning and raised edges for drop protection, the stainless steel kickstand supports vertical and horizontal viewing angles. It's slim, durable, and folds flush into the case for convenience. This case is ideal for those who want to flaunt their phone while enjoying premium features and durability. 4. Torras Guardian Shopproof Case. If protection and practicality are your priorities, the Torras Guardian is the ultimate shield for your Galaxy S25 Ultra. Military-grade build, featuring X-Shock air cushioning and resilient TPU material, this case offers 360 degrees defense against drops, shocks, and scratches. The raised bezels, 1.7mm for the screen and 1.2mm for the camera, ensure your device remains pristine. Pros: exceptional drop and scratch protection, durable construction. Cons: slightly heavier than slim cases. Slim design and grip. Despite its rugged build, the nano-oleophobic coating ensures a smudge-free and non-slip grip. The textured sides enhance comfort, making it perfect for daily use. Pros: lightweight, anti-stain finish. Cons: doesn't cater to those who prefer a bulkier feel. Customizable features. With interchangeable buttons, you can give your case a personal touch. Plus, it's fully compatible with wireless charging for convenience. This case is a no-brainer for anyone who prioritizes strength and security without sacrificing style. The winner. All these cases are outstanding in their own ways, but the Torras' strong magnetic and seamless stand case edges out the competition. Its top-tier magnetic performance, reliable kickstand, and military-grade protection make it the most versatile option for everyday use. So, which one's your favorite? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews. Your next favorite accessory might just be a click away.